Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another full day of eating video. I'm currently at my parents' house right now, so a little bit of a different surrounding, but I'm just watching their house while they're away, and I've already eaten my oatmeal, my overnight oats. This is just banana, protein powder, chia seeds, and almond milk. Oh yeah, and PB2 that I put on the top and then mix it in. And then some coffee currently. So I'm just doing some work right now, and I'll probably see you in a bit. I'm gonna head to the gym and then get some lunch going, you know, the usual. So yeah, see you then. So it's about 10:30 and I'm gonna hit the gym now. I'm going to eat this Clif Bar on the way there. Kind of dreading this workout just because the gym that I'm going to is like my old gym, and the equipment is limited, so it's usually pretty crowded, minimal equipment, and I'm just not in the mood to like be in small spaces with people and fighting over weights, but I'll do it anyways. So wish me luck, and I will be back and just in time for lunch. See you in a bit. Back from the gym, and I just got done with a client call, and I'm starving. So I've got some leftover pork tenderloin that I made yesterday, so I'm just kind of like gonna reheat this up, saute some bok choy and some red bell pepper and sweet potato. And all of this comes from Imperfect Produce. I'm in no way affiliated with them, but I do get like refer a friend points or some shit like that, so I'll put the link down below if anyone's like wanting to try it out. It's a great way to prevent food waste. It's Imperfect Produce because it's imperfect stuff they don't sell in the grocery store, so it doesn't go to waste. Instead, it comes to my house, and that is pretty awesome. So much food goes to waste, it's ridiculous, and I'm glad there's finally a way to stop that from happening. Oh yeah, also this pork tenderloin comes from ButcherBox. Again, I am not affiliated with them in any way, shape, or form, but if you want to like help me out, I get like refer a friend stuff, so I'll also put that link down below if you decide you want to jump on the ButcherBox or Imperfect Produce bandwagon, then hey, the links are down below. Anyways, I'm gonna get cooking. Hey guys, what's up? So it's been a few hours since lunch, and I've already gone to the store and run a few other errands, nothing exciting, so I haven't really wanted to bring the camera along, but I did want to address bulking since it's like a full day of eating video and it's a bulking season for me, and I want to go over my purpose for bulking and a little bit of my strategy and that sort of thing. So my purpose behind bulking for me is that I want to get back into bodybuilding. I want to get back on the stage, but before I do that, I want to put on more muscle mass because I've had so many like surgery interruptions times in the past like year and a half where I've put on muscle, lost muscle, put on muscle, lost muscle because I'm going through surgery and then recovery, surgery, recovery. So this has been like the first time I've had in a long time where I don't have any scheduled surgeries. Literally nothing on the schedule. So I feel super stoked that this is going to be like an uninterrupted bulk, and I can not only bulk, but I can move into the next phase of cutting to kind of see where I'm at. So yeah, my purpose is to put on more muscle mass for bodybuilding, for the stage, although you don't have to be a bodybuilder to benefit from a bulk, because, I mean, you could just be like really into fitness or just want to look better, and putting on muscle mass, it's going to raise your metabolism, and overall, like, it's going to protect you or, you know, prevent things as you age. The more muscle mass you have as you age, the less likely you are to like fall and break a hip, that sort of thing. Just staying strong for functional fitness is something that, I mean, you can also use a bulk for. So when it comes down to my strategy, there's a difference between dirty bulking and calculated bulking, or like lean bulking, and I tend to be more of a calculated bulker, just because your body can only put on so much muscle at a time, and other than what it's other than the calories that your body is able to use at the time, it's just going to be put on your body as fat. There is no doubt that there's no escaping fat gain during a bulk if you are doing it correctly or like seriously. So I've kind of just accepted that fact in this time. I'm eating more than I ever have. I've gotten extra okay with the fact that I'm going to put on some fat along with the muscle. So I'm kind of I'm still calculated, but I'm also allowing for a little extra fluffiness this round of bulking. But one way that I keep it calculated is that I bring my calories up gradually, and then I measure by you know, pictures, before and after pictures, the scale. I'm currently weighing myself about once a week. So in the beginning, I think I'm gonna gain more than towards the end of this bulk, but if I see the scale go down, then I'm gonna raise my calories up, obviously. Or if I'm seeing the scale move up slowly, like too slow, then I will move my calories up. If I see the scale go up really fast, or I'm like 1 week in and I've gained like 10 pounds, I'm gonna bring my calories down a little bit and then creep them back up, because I don't wanna put on unnecessary fat that I'm just gonna have to take off later down the road during my cut. So there really is only X amount of calories that your body can actually put forth to building with muscle. I'm going to give my body a little bit more extra than I'm used to. You know, definitely in the biggest surplus that I've ever been in, and gonna keep making sure that I am in a surplus. I'm not gonna, you know, it's kind of scary when you do start gaining fat along with the muscle, but I'm kind of, you know, taking a little bit of a sacrifice when it comes to that at the same time. So bulking, yeah, it can be mentally, you know, harder than cutting sometimes, because there's always that, like, you know, those body issues that can pop up to being like, oh man, like this is weird. I got some rolls that were not there before and stuff like that, but it's all part of the bigger picture. And the bigger picture for me is that in the long run, what's most important is that I put more muscle on my body, and to do that, this is what I got to do now. So long term is something that you have to focus on when you are bulking. It's not the most aesthetically pleasing phase of working out, but it's worth it. It'll pay off in the end. So it's only a short amount of discomfort and, you know, fluffiness in your body for a long-term benefit of being stronger, having more mass to you. And so yeah, that's what my plan is, and that's what I'm doing. And I'm gonna go for a walk now. I'm gonna see if I can catch some good clouds. Yesterday I went for a walk and it was beautiful. So I might try to see if I can bring you along. All right, I'm gonna see you at dinner time.
You have to be your biggest fan And when things are really tough and they're really rough and nothing's working, but there's something inside of you that says, I just have to follow that. Because you don't know who you're going to meet, who you're going to meet, who you're
Okay, done with the walk. It was actually kind of nice to go on a walk without feeling like I was going to get hit by a car. Where I'm living now in Citrus Heights, to be specific, it's a little crazy. So walking out in like quiet in nature, having a walk actually be relaxing is a good change. Anyways, so for dinner, I've got some chicken breast here, leftover sweet potato from lunch, and then I'm going to steam some broccoli. I'm just going to season the chicken with some curry powder and some salt. So I'm gonna get started. Okay, so this is dinner: chicken, mashed sweet potato, and steamed broccoli. I'm gonna eat this, and then I will determine what I will have for dessert, and I will see you then. Okay, so I am done with dinner, and I still have some protein left and some fats left to use, so I'm gonna do my usual protein powder and powdered peanut butter together mixed with some water, and then I'm gonna top it off with some toasted almonds, and that should wrap up my macros for the day. So yeah, I'm gonna get started on dessert and then end this video. So that wraps up this video. I've got my dessert. I'm just gonna finish this off, and I hope that this video was helpful. If you like these type of videos, or if you find it helpful, please leave a thumbs up so I know to make more of them. Also, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. And that is it for now. Peace out, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.